Hello, this is Noreen Crone Findlay from Crone-Findlay.com and TottyTalksCrafts.com. This is a piece, a tapestry that I originally wove, several years ago, at least 5 years ago. And just recently, just in the last couple of weeks, she told me that she needed to have a whole new way of being. And so she wanted wings, she wanted butterflies, she wanted to be a butterfly woman. Now, Butterfly Woman is a series of tapestries that I've been working on for years, and she wanted to join in. And so what I did was let's just close up. There, I wove her, she didn't have a face before. Now the mask, the butterfly mask that's on her forehead, was all she had, and I took that off and moved it up after I stitched her new face on. And I also wove new hands, and then I stitched butterflies that I had made quite a few years ago onto the front of her, and I added very, very thick, heavy wire to the butterfly wings for her shoulders. And she's very pleased with me now, and I'm very pleased with her. So she has joined the company of other butterfly women tapestries here. Her friend beside her also went through some changes, but I'm going to wait and tell you more about that a little bit later. But so I just wanted to share my delight with this piece that was originally woven on the peg loom, and now has her face I wove on the Hexagon loom, and then I built a special loom for weaving her hands. So there we have it. Butterfly woman emerges from her cocoon, and I hope that butterfly energy is alive and well in your life too.